Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing knotless box braids, so if you'd like to see how it turns out, stay tuned. Alright, so my hair is already washed and conditioned. I am applying some argan oil just to add some moisture to my hair because it's a little dry, So, I'm gonna add a little oil. To achieve the style, I am using Rattail Combs, Shine and Jam, Style Factor Edge Booster, and the Nairobi foaming lotion, as well as pre-stretch braiding hair, which saves so much time. I always get the pre-stretch braiding hair. So when I'm doing braids, I like to go ahead and pre-part my hair. I got this method from Slaying with Ray. I'll leave her channel in the description below if you guys want to check her out. So yeah, also have a braiding rack, which will make this process so much easier. Off camera, I started braiding my hair, so right now I'm going to show you guys how I do it. I braid my natural hair about 2 or 3 times, and then I'm going to feed in the braiding hair. I feed in the braiding hair by placing it between my pointer finger and my thumb. In order to get the size braids that I want, I added about 5 pieces, maybe 5 or 6 pieces, to get the desired style that I want. So I'm just going to continue to keep feeding in that braiding hair. So the back of my head is completed. I finished the rest off camera, just for the sake of time. So all we have to worry about is the front of our head. Alright, so I'm taking the edge booster to slick down my hair so the braids can look as neat and clean as possible. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to braid my natural hair 2 times. 1, 2. Then I'm going to take the braiding hair and place it between my pointer finger and my thumb. Then I'm going to braid, braid, and then add another piece of hair. So you're going to keep feeding the hair in until you get the desired size that you're looking for. When doing this style, I'm blending in my natural hair with the braiding hair using beeswax. Sometimes I use edge control, but in this case I'm just going to use the Morris beeswax just to seal everything together. I noticed while I was braiding that the braid was thin towards the bottom, so I went ahead and added another piece of braiding hair. So, I know that I pre-parted this section, but I didn't like how it was going to turn out. Therefore, I have to redo it. I just have to. So that's what I'm doing. Child, I just look like I'm tired. Like I'm just ready for it to be over. Luckily, this is the last braid. And finally, I am done braiding. However, I still have a few more steps to complete in order to make this whole look come together. So I'm taking my foaming lotion and I'm just going to apply it all throughout my head. Why did I smell it? I don't know. Just ignore that part. But yeah, I'm just going to apply the foaming lotion throughout my entire head. And I'm going to cut the ends. These braids are super long, so I'm just going to cut the ends just so it can be even. I want the ends of my hair to be curly, so I'm taking the flexi rods to achieve that look. And then I'm going to dip it in some hot water. Please be careful when dipping your hair. Make sure you have a towel and somebody to help you, honestly. But I'm doing this myself. I've been doing this myself, so I kind of got the hang of it. So I'm undoing the flexi rods, and this is how the curls turned out. Lovely, lovely. One thing I can say that I like about the knotless braids is that you can position your hair any direction that you want. It is so versatile. It's not heavy, it's lightweight. So you all know the look isn't completed until we lay the edges. I'm taking that Style Factor edge booster and my edge brush, and I'm just gonna lay the edges, swoopity swoop, swoopity swoop. This is my second time doing knotless box braids, and I think this time I did pretty good. I think I did good. What do you all think? Let me know in the comments below.